All right, folks, Friday morning, last trading day of the week. Not much to speak of market-wise. Markets are quiet across the board. FX, commodities, precious metals, the equity market, you name it. Very quiet start to the day. Couple headlines out there. Pfizer seeking emergency authorization for the vaccine. Assuming they get that, they want to start shipping it ASAP. Big news, but little impact on the market. We also have a spat between the Fed and the Treasury. Treasury wants to roll back some of these pandemic-era programs. The Fed wants to keep them in place. That spat and that disagreement having little to no impact on the market. So what does that mean? Well, it means we've got some time on our hands. Markets are quiet. It's very easy right now to fall into a trap of complacency and do nothing and just get comfortable. Rather, use this as a time to get better. We have a lot of educational content in Nadex for you to sort through and for you to use to improve your own trading skills. Visit our YouTube channel. Watch some of these videos. Get into our demo account with that practice money, which is 100% free. And you can use it as much or as little as you want, but you can get in there and you can practice these strategies risk-free. Use this time to improve your own trading skills. So when it does get volatile again, when we do have movement, when the markets are rocking, you're ready to go. You've worked on those weaknesses, you've made yourself better, and you're ready to get in there and successfully trade. So, hope everybody has a great day. Let's go get after it this Friday. Again, check out that YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, and let's get ready to have some fun next week and get back after it. Hope everybody has a great weekend. I'll check in with you again on Monday. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.